Alan Kuano. Sebia, October more, or the castle of step down, I'm money you. Alan bit my step down. Natala on your serious, and I only Alan open serious. Alan on your serious that, we are so by.
Alan is serious, say.
Oh,
okay.
Yen le all Alan, Ebeka say, Onin Kofobia Kualaya. Now, see, Abu Sakara, and Ebe and running mate. Now, you see, Yenja Abu Sakara and Alan running mate. Alan did propose and Abu Sakara catch. Now, all our contest election. Me, my I see the running mate 2008, 2012, me contesting Emma CPP, Emma maybe G4 as a third cry mobile. Now, Obi, our party cry election, we need that contest here. Near the wash, Emma Nipa 800 crack or two about me, answer it. I'm watching one party ma. Oh, by saying alliance, I hope I me now you're running mate. So Abu Sakara wanted to be the leader. Nankala and any running mate, and until I say, or the Akofa Kwame Usudansu. And they say, Kwame Usudansu, Wakofano. Ama, not this now, or Mudin Etiko, movement for change. No, Omina Wofu, and now Kolomoni Matrinkomo, the Brelan Matrinkomo, say they are coming back to their mother party, MPP, because almost Alan, who need agree Papa Bia the home. At the end, Baumia and Amahama the building, not said they did, said I'll be meditate, said I did. Only Obusma, Papa on your bench. Chabusum.
Okay.
Only Nabina Butashi Alan. Reuni, if I don't go probably beat Alan.
Blind Bulgarian akasa na in blind Bulgarian say or ye historian no kwasem no say efa abakosem Ghana abakosem yamani osem abakosem ho dia na abranti wa bi ye pa na say abato bia bre eso a eya na oba bonten e the predictions e ba bonten na ya na ne nsem o kan nyina so dodo na asa pepe e na ete afidie so blind Bulgarian aba bonten abekasa o kire say near afi sani abano ebesi akono ode aba betudwa afi ode kokobo ekoma de ma MPP HSS o ma hwe napo yi a enema bia napo ye ne nsem bia napo ekeka no ebetimi aha MPP amanyoko no ye ne Blind Bulgarian akasa ewa homa so ne tebusua kama ho ne yekonkoti ekomotwe ne sani ekwo no ene ensem bia ode tudwa ede ma MPP fo ansa ne be kono me house ha ye too much that's why my page we ne mi adoma so sani be ya upload bia onsa ebetimi akosua ma yeko Ningo Blind Bulgarian in somewhat or the two gentlemen.
The patch more about too much GH.
Yeah, Miss Bianco, sounds of the
Yamiadumo now, sir.
Oh, my
you. The patch radio for campaign, yeah, of course, in this election. So far, who you must say?
I can't take 5 days. Soon is that.
The patch,
see, about one bell. She said, I'll be any break. And a dirty game, so Kosopa dirty game. Koso pa amount for poor dirty game. Between NDC and MPP, no more than the Bayanoma, in your able dirty game. And say, Diana, I have to say, as a Mojan, or say, they say, on your affiliated with any political party. I don't know them. But I was to see the elections to send their corner. Obika tells a cheddar bill winning our war, cheddar winning. Obika tells the Alan bill winning our war winning. Between former President Mahama and Vice President Baumia.
Okay.
Omumba could be winning. Alan said, I now, okay. Alan Kuano. Sebia, October more, or the castle of step down, I'm money you. Alan makes my step down. Okay, Alan makes my step down.
Walk off walk off Alan away. Easy office, let me step it down.
Not Alan on your serious. And I only Alan open serious. Alan on your serious that. We are so by.
Alan is serious, say.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You know all Alan, Ebeka say. Onin Kofobia Kualaya. Now, see, Abu Sakara and Ebe and running mate. Now, you see, Yenja Abu Sakara and Alan running mate. Alan did propose and Abu Sakara catch. Now, all our contest election. Me, my I could see the running mate 2008, 2012, me contesting Emma CPP, Emma maybe G4 as a third cry mobile. Now, Obi our party cry election, we need that contest here. Near the wash Emma nipa 800 kwa to aba wantimi ansande ama watwe won fi party ma o ba se anya alliance a o pese mi na onye running mate. So Abu Sakara wanted to be the leader. Na kala na enye running mate. And anti ase anya djuma. O dia ko fa kwa me usu da so. And they say kwa me usu da so na wa ko fa no. Ama not ness na omudi na tiko movement for change no. Omu ina wo fi enti and now ko omuni me atkin komo bebre na ne me atkin komo. Say they are coming back to their mother party MPP because omo sala no oni adwen papa bia de mo. Oni bi papa bia de mo. No nya dia ade omo ye no so exercise infidelity. It's not that now omo di ala na tiko e. Bebre na ne me akasa omo za ba MPP back. Oh serious oh. Bebre na ne me akasa omo za ba MPP back. Nti kale ala ne de se o e ba se o step down me mane nyon ko. Ana o step down kura so a che da benya vote asen no. Vote e be say e be do scratch ni dia obenya no.
Ala na oye politician no. Ene chada na afi no wabam as a new force no. O chere say chada betimi puli vote a chen Alan.
Alan oba munche o chada ba munche ba can tell you say chada is popular in Alan. Opa ko e wa research. Chada is more popular in Alan.
Okay.
O e popular in Alan. Wọ́n sẹ́ Alan no ọ̀kasá àmàfọ́ tiẹ̀ kẹ̀kẹ́ ọba ọmọ òṣèlú àǹfààní sí ọ̀tún òní because ó jà ní kọ̀ọ̀fọ́ àwọn ọmọ nam no ọmọ mma na futu papa bi àná ẹbí ọmọ sọ̀rọ̀ à na ọmọ tó ọmọ ní ẹsẹ̀ àti nfọ̀ ọ̀sùn ọmọ dìdí nkọ̀ọ̀fọ́ ọmọ tẹ̀m sáà nà sísá nkọ̀ọ̀fọ́ ní ìnáná ọmọ mùwá ní campaign no Alan ọ̀nyẹ́ popular sáà ọ̀sẹ̀ nà mo ń hó ní sẹ́ nà mo ká sọ̀rọ̀ popular he is not as popular as you think nípa náà èdè nà sí ni bèbèrè so koraa no ẹni mà bá tó ọ̀tún bèbèrè náà tó àbá ẹ̀sẹ̀ eki ade nde baomia ana mahama ne bewu na cheda edi 10 cheda obetime di 10 cheda die oni obosuma papa ba ko ne fence che abosum
okay
omu ina benya buta si Alan re uni ekwadon kokora be biti Alan ekwadon kokora be biti Alan Alan di obere omu ina ono obere
Bulgaria say ya shebe 2 weeks ni akọ guarantee interview bi ana wo chere say running mate Edema Dr. Muhammad Baumia eye napo ne nkasa ye mu ne se ne nsenka ye bitie no obe ha party no sa asem no egusu wo na se o hwe se ne niam ekọ na ebetimi asesa.
Okay sa interview na me guarantee I was speaking as an MPP person me support Baumia also me dey me fancy me objective but about on the Baumia na beto amano mentu mobia okay and you know se ko onu kwa wa ma ka bato onu kwa ka metu bi but onu abandi and I metu amano but me se bi ara ne running mate ne kikana na asenti aseni na me se me wan sibi eki I think say and ma me ko guarantee that interview na me class as but on say as time goes on me on say NDC flag bearer no so can the same thing and apoka ibiano no so can because NDC flag bearer you timi ko jina we bi wa ka say aban ne bad luck and so nto say no so bomb ni biano no so tutu no okay enti Martin apoase afi Martin ase yenti ono yes ade because no biana former president Mahama swear I think say omumi na on the same skill enti me hu yenti aware ade na first na ni say no candidate na me tina say below the belt but later me tina say TT president Mahama so say ma o kana say no say Mahama so to bon party I think say omo na the same level.
Okay enti sa no oni wo mo ya no mo ka say o say beto abana say comment bi PP mpenifo bi enu musa na yemfa ne say a political talk your political season ti beti nsem bi sa no say normal no oni o mo sa afọ ne be ya adwen
now say ko dey say brasi those time 2008 2012 2016 no na say ma man for kan na anya no bi o na man for kan sempa but say dey say brasi those things dey aka 85 days am ya to abandi yeah expected those things and dey as anya money na beba.
Okay why historian ebi mo so chere say Ghana ye pattern of election no 4 years 8 years maximum into this year election and so no sa na be sign repeat no there is no way say NPP bet me a break 8 no
what the battlety record are made to be broken.
Okay.
Because the moment to be winning election now, 50-50, omit me winning and omit me.
I say MPP bet me a breaky 8 no so share send it.
Oh yeah, omit my breaky. Omit my NDC. Omo campaign omo ye Jabiani.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, NDC campaign Janim.
So in 4 hour economy omo dey bay.
I no crown obi antia se ne omo flag bra no crown kwa okas and wontimi nchechire mu ye am obi antia se.
Oh, so what shame say bia baby to say passport office say omo be run na adwuma say nkan better be call be 5 a omo say omo apon no. Okọ ho a anajo kra obetimi akwa. Okay.
That 24-hour economy now all can also can be send a passport office here. When digitization here. Send Ghana you don't have to even go to office and sign work with your passport and work with your health insurance card. And can you just I don't say amount code be your phone so now can we be an API clear and on about me I can 24-hour economy now papa can be meno I mean said papa biana nyasa sembia was asemi.
Okay. Ebe so ka se Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia eye Muslim no na Ghana ye Christian nation no.
Hello mami correct you. Ghana ye Christian nation. Obi o ka cho say Ghana ye Christian nation bia nipa na nimdie na oni ntina o kasa no. Per constitution na issue o mai mo ano. Ghana is secular state. Ghana is not any religious nation. Ye kasa o mai be a Christian nation out here. This is how my a Christopher and they be 90% and 95%. Yet the Christopher book a friend the Bible and the book of mine.
Okay.
We don't even recognize other religions. Ghana is secular state. And yet for until I call fancy via a Christopher Bompire, near my Muslim for Bompire, near my Yananum traditional religion for Abompire. It's Ghana all the religions, they are recognizing 3 religions. It will be casual say Ghana is a Christian nation as Anipan. He's speaking out of ignorance.
Oh, in say omo ka say Muslim na eba be di a Christopher no eno no dey embem kra.
Omo ina out of ignorance any unnecessary idiotic religious tensions no mo pity o my mo. Say me say wa ofa alan to aka sa asem ni. O kan epu no.
Oh, okay.
Ghana a secular state, why? Constitution now, issue of mine one. And yet Christian, it doesn't recognize the state a Christian state and I said a Muslim state and whatever state, a secular state.
Okay. Oh, there we will be out when near the Ghana about which since I started say to about my Ghana, would we near the chance and him your history about to. So far, we share this election. I'm for air predicted say I feel election of violence be beat me at Trinity. Who is saying?
Oh, election of violence and Trinity. There may be some skirmishes, but you're too very about me. I'll be to Mama, to be to well, won't mean you.
Oh, okay.
You'll be honest, yeah. Over that, I'll go for my good just try the day, but any idea? BBNCO. Ghana be being with you. You bet 2 bannery. What person will be? Why are they so person about to say, you think of a ballot boss now, so far. Police for the boat through. Police for the on the boat through.
Okay.
Maybe you say, and yeah, they are minor and into now so they are. And yet, the state institution, and I say, security institutions are more minor. They will do with you. Then the also as a politician be a catch you say, Kona Kotubo, and a Kona be now so because President Mama, all money back, and could not police station and your police agent. Sana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, all money back and Kofabo, so 2 more in this debate. You about Beton, when you're there, GC, private, when your police are also be politician, be a Chiako and Quasasem, no one, and they say, wow,
okay.
Yeah, well, you never told the other two. Okay.
me pa chere de ye da se pa se onya abrana na twetwe nkomo na ne kwakwa no wo final words bi a wo de betu dwama yen
me final word ni han say Ghana mebu no mamu ni politician ti wo ye basa because me MPP ni a me we ni anomo mo NDC me wo schoolmate any classmate o mo ye NDC
okay
ni na Ghana for abato no ba o mi an be wunyu mahama ne be wunyu Cheda ne be wunyu one be wunyu o mo na Ghana ni ni kwa ku
okay
me say Ghana for say abato ni ma ni aso because ye to abana enye to go ni ni ekoyi na you be wuni bia na Ghana nti ye ma so game na MPP o NDC o mo na Ghana for kokoma ni de ma mo na e kobofo
okay
ye ma so game na ekoyi bia na me say media no say entro no dos media for mona mama confusion about my one trono e dos too much media for control party to Pajo FM any multimedia omo dia mon trono no is too much and a media general mutimi ma ko for now omo TV station so case obi obeto ama MPP bia o ya boa and that's obi TV to case as them say obi obeto na on to my MPP fight problem be any but don't sit there and condemn say obi obeto ama MPP bia because obi a on the reason they go to aba me meto ama MPP a free SHS omo dia bantina meto ama any near maybe am who say MPP papa tina meto ama it doesn't make me aboa me ni say obi beto ama NDC a ono so ya aboa because nipa no ebia o to ama NDC e wa de bia President Mahama aka se ne se oba obey ana se no ye ya e so ni enti no so ko to ama NDC nti nkotra radio so dan sani ama we bi no e na din to kwa e baba me media for no say to kwa beba o asunge beba o mo ro kese pa o ti mamu incite violence mamu ntamu radio so en kanto se ne ebi ma start here no multimedia ne media general mo ma start here no
okay me pa chere da se wie pa
okay me me da se
anu se busuan sama Blind Bulgarian editor dwa na yakwa akuti aba me bi se what nsem ni na brand so de unim ne history ni yie pa se ne o kan nsem no e ana sa na tinti ma yehu se ne nsem usije ne fa fi se ne wa predict no sa na be ko no ana se ensesa ebetimi aba me nyina no ja comment e wa se afi no me subscribe button no so notification bell no so aka ho aye too much se ne upload be bia onsa ebetimi aka okọ Facebook so a aye too much ho so ya na wa like na wa share e de ama me macro